Polygon can be used also for very simple measurements. For instance, in this case we will use it for minimum radius measurement. How to do it? So what is the minimum turning radius of a vehicle? This is very important when I have a truck, when I have a big loader or something. And how do we do that in Dewesoft? First we open Dewesoft. What we have is we have Polygon tool and we have a vehicle simulator to drive inside the office. Then what we do is we add a new vehicle which is moving together with latitude, longitude and heading. And since we have this vehicle simulator, we can nicely drive it inside. And then the second thing what we need to do is we need to add a travel radius. So what we do is we add a travel radius which is moving together with my vehicle. So as soon as I have this, I can drive and I can see my travel radius. And then the last thing which is missing is calculation. So what I want is I want to calculate the radius of where I'm driving. So we will calculate radius of my travel radius. Just rename the channel and we are ready for measurement. Then we just switch between the screens. We can add additional displays since we want to see the radius, and I want Polygon to follow my vehicle. As soon as we start driving and make a turn, we immediately calculate radius.